Introducing the 2020 Land Rover Defender. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 25,000 miles on the odometer. Be eager for the next adventure in this iconic Land Rover Defender, the premium go-anywhere vehicle that's purposeful, durable, immensely capable, and indulges you with luxurious, modern, utilitarian chic comforts and conveniences. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, navigation system, heated mirrors, fog lamps, power passenger seat, four-wheel drive, premium sound system, dual zone AC, tire pressure monitoring system. Explore your world boldly and beautifully in this distinctive Land Rover Defender. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.